Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to set up and use live view mode on the ZV-E10 camera. First of all, we have to set the horizon level. To do that, you have to click the display button a couple times until you see, until you see that the level is activated. This one will allow you to see the horizon level on the screen and ensure that your camera is right on the level. Then we have to set up the grid for the composition. So in order to do that, we have to go to the menu, the second slide, page number 7, and here we go, the grid line. So you have a few options to do that. So the first one is rule of 3 grid, and this place objects close to the grid lines for balanced composition. Next one is a square grid. Check the horizontal level of your composition, and useful for the landscape and macro photography. Show it to you. So as you see, next one is gonna be diagonal and square grid. Use diagonal lines to create a more dynamic shot. Here we go. And the next one is off, so the grid lines are not displayed. You see, no grid lines for now. Now for the display mode, you have to enable all the possible display modes in your settings. You can do that with the display button. Now on the camera, you're pressing display, and you see here it shows all the settings such as exposure, compensation, white balance, creative style, picture effect, and this lets you to see how they're affecting your image in real time. When the effect is off, you show the image without the effect so you can focus on composing the shot. Additional tip. As for the histogram, here it is. You can activate it to see settings of the monitor exposure in live view mode. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.